A cozy forest village is nestled among trees, featuring miniature animal houses. The rising sun casts a warm glow over the entire village, enhancing the sense of peace and tranquility. The village houses are designed to accommodate various forest animals. Sunrise gradually illuminates the forest village, with light beams entering through windows. The animation visualizes the propagation of light and its interaction with the environment. The rising sun's light transforms the village atmosphere, creating a warm and inviting ambiance. The title "Wake Up Tiny Tales" appears with a bouncy animation. The animation
Wake up, tiny tales. Wake up, animation, wake up. Wake up, tiny tales, it's a brand new day. The sun is up and the sky's not gray. Bunnies soaring in a fuzzy pile. Kittens dreaming in a royal style. Parrots perched and pecking time. Wakey wake, a squawky chime. Panda rolls with a sleepy spin. Squirrel zooms with a cheeky grin. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Comb that fur and clean your beak. Shoes on feet and lunch in hand. Dancing out like a marching band. Go, go, go be slow. Tiny tails are on the go. School bus coming down the street. Tiny paws and happy feet. Buddy shirt is upside down. Kitten spins in a princess gown. Panda's got a sock on his nose. Parrot's painting on his toes. Squirrel zipping left and right. Lost his hat in all the fright. Lunchbox flying, juice box pop. Oops, the jelly hit the mop. Spin, spin, spin around. Tap houses off the ground. Wave hello and do a hop. Slide up through, don't ever stop. Zoom, 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 out the door. Giggles bouncing off the floor. Tiny tails in tiny shoes. On a mission, big news. 5, 4, 3, better grab that snack. 2, 1, the bus is back. Down the lane with a honk and cheer. Let's go learn, the ride is here. Dance, dance, dance in line. Tiny tails are looking fine. Climb aboard with giggles loud. Wave goodbye to the morning crowd. Go, 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 don't be late. Tiny animals feeling great. School is cool, hooray, hooray. It's an awesome, awesome day. Next up.